Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. So let's have our example. We are dividing x raised to 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 and x plus 3. So in dividing polynomials using synthetic division, we're going to equate our divisor to 0. So our divisor is x plus 3 and we will equate it to 0. Then let's solve for the value of x. So let's transpose positive 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us x is equal to negative 3. So we always change the sign if we're going to transpose a term to the other side of the equation. Okay, so we have our divisor negative 3, and now let's proceed to our dividend. So our dividend is just the coefficient of our polynomial x raised to 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 5. So let's get the coefficient of our polynomial. So our first term is 1. Our second term is 2. Our third term is 4. And our last term is negative 5. Okay. Now let's start our synthetic division. So bring down positive 1, our first term. So we have 1 here. Then let's multiply 1 to our divisor negative 3. So 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Then let's add. So let's add positive 2 and negative 3. So again, copy the sign of the larger number. In this case, it is negative. And then subtract 3 minus 2, that is 1. So we have negative 1. Then, let's multiply negative 1 to our divisor. So negative 1 times negative 3, that will be positive 3. Then, let's add our terms. 4 plus 3, that is 7. So positive 7. Okay. So next, let's multiply 7 to our divisor, negative 3. So 7 times negative 3, that will be negative 21. So negative 21. Okay, then let's add negative 5 and negative 21. So negative 5 plus negative 21, since they have the same sign, copy the sign and add. So 5 plus 21 is 26. Okay. After performing our synthetic division, let's identify our leading term for our quotient. So, let's focus our attention to our leading term of our polynomials. So, we have x cubed and x. So, let's divide them. X cubed divided by x, that will give us x squared. So, we will start our leading term for our quotient with x squared, followed by x, followed by a constant, and the last term will serve as our remainder. So negative 26 is our remainder. Now let's write our final answer. Let's put them all together. So the quotient of these two polynomial will be equal to x squared minus x plus 7, since it is positive. Then let's add our remainder plus our remainder, which is negative 26, over x plus 3, which is our divisor. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.